success, achievement is a flat surface. This is where we get to enjoy. This is where we have fun. Ito yung peak of the mountain. This is where we take photos. This is where we selfie. This is where we create video na ito na, nakarating na kami. This is where you enjoy and celebrate. This is a really abundant moment. This is a happy moment. But there's no growth in this moment. It's just pure bliss and celebration. In reality, bago ka makarating dyan, paakyat towards that achievement, paakyat towards a moment of success. Nandyan yung growth. Pag inakyat mo yan, eventually, masakit yan sa tuhod, masakit sa legs. So, growth equals pain. So, kailangan talaga nating dumaan. It's because if we want something new in our lives, if we want something better in our lives, at hindi siya nangyayari ngayon, it's because hindi pa ready yung katawan mo. Hindi ready yung utak mo, hindi ready yung puso mo. You are not yet a person of value. You are not yet a person of success.